Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and making the first precise cuts. Clean and sand the furniture surface so adhesive bonds. Once done, wipe away dust with a tack cloth. Measure panels carefully and cut each strip 1/2 inch longer than the panel. Label them to avoid mix-ups. Mix paste to manufacture specs or choose peel and stick for faster work. Position tools within reach. Smoothing tool, sharp utility knife, seam roller, and a damp sponge. Now you're ready to apply the first strip. You apply and align each strip with controlled movements. Start at the top edge and align pattern. Make sure the top is straight before smoothing down. Use the smoothing tool from center outward to push out air bubbles and excess paste. Take your time on curves and edges. If using pasted wallpaper, maintain slight overlaps at joins and trim later. For peel and stick, butt seams edge to edge. Once aligned, run the seam roller lightly to secure joins and remove trapped paste or air. Finish by trimming, sealing, and handling common problems. Carefully trim excess with a sharp blade and metal straight edge, cutting inside corners first and protecting finished surfaces. Make sure edges are clean, then apply a thin bead of clear, furniture-safe sealant to top and bottom edges to prevent lifting. Allow full cure as directed. If you find bubbles, lift the nearest edge slightly to resmooth, or make a tiny pinhole and press paste out toward the cut. If seams separate, reapply adhesive and press firm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.